Oil change. I'm just a spectator today, but I will give you a play-by-play of this oil change. Word on the street, it's a little annoying, but we'll find out. Tools you'll need are socket wrench, 14mm socket, oil filter, OW20 synthetic oil, an optional tool, oil filter wrench. That's just to make the getting off the oil filter a little easier. The overview of the engine bay. As you see here, here's the oil cap. First step you want to do, remove the oil cap, allow the oil to flow better. It's going to be an easy job. As you see, no tire removal. No tire removal. On the passenger side of the vehicle, just turn your wheel all the way to the right and you'll have plenty of access to the oil filter. Shot of where the oil filter will be. When we remove this little plastic cover trim, you'll see the oil filter back there. It's about 3 clips. If you see there, 1, 2, 3, correction, 4 down there. And this is your passenger side of the vehicle. I'm underneath the car. As you see, this is the passenger side I'm looking at of the vehicle. You just go slightly back to the front of the wheel. You'll see the oil pan and a 14mm socket to remove. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. We have the oil pan set up, 14mm socket. Lefty loosey. I accidentally have the worker's face in the video. I'll blur this out later. So we remove the oil pan just so we can get a little clearance for the socket wrench. Now I gotta pass the oil pan back. Loosen the bolt with the socket wrench. Now we're gonna loosen it by hand and place the oil catch band underneath the drain path. That will allow this to drain for a few minutes until there's a slight trickle or nothing coming out, and we'll tighten back the bolt. It's a good idea just to wipe down the area where the oil drained, just so that you can tell if there's any future leaks after you finish the job. As you see, as I stated earlier, we removed the trim piece. You have your oil filter right there. Easy access, no problem. FYI, when you're popping these clips, pop this top piece first.
That's how you need to do.
And then you can pull it out. Yeah. Don't try to pull from the bottom piece because then you end up breaking the clip. In other words, he broke the clip.
Not in this one. I'm an answer.
We've positioned the oil catch pan. We have the oil filter wrench. As you see, it's easy work with the oil filter wrench. Optional tool, but very useful. We have the new oil filter ready for reinstall. Reinstall is the opposite of removal, just tighten it on, righty-tighty. And we'll place a small film of oil on the gasket, on this red gasket here. We'll just take our finger and rub it around. Got the oil funnel inside the cylinder head, refilling the motor. Oil change is complete. Oil has been put in place, oil filter in place. Oil pan bolt has been retightened. Now we turn on the car, run it for about 2 or 3 minutes or so, just to see if there's any leaks underneath the car. If not, you're good to go. If there are some, just address to see where it's coming from. And you can always program in this car your oil change settings. He's gonna explain how we do that.
Press info, then you go to maintenance, and there it is right there. Engine oil, press on it, intervals, increase, decrease, and then you press reset when you're done. Same thing as oil filter.
Boom.
Other stuff you want to do too.
There we go, and as you see, there's the items. Those are the indicators for mileage, and you're good to go. The oil change for the Nissan Pathfinder is complete. As always, it's simple, it's easy. If you have any questions or comments, please comment down below. If you have any suggestions what I really like to make this job easier, please comment down below as well. Like, share. I like seeing the community, our community, my community grow. As always, thanks for watching.